Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find hidden contacts on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click settings icon here. Now here you will find privacy and safety settings, click on it, and here as you see you'll find hidden contacts, and that's it. That's how to find hidden contacts on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.